Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Mainly a haul. So one of my girls here on YouTube sent me some happy mail, and she sent it like 2 weeks ago, and it finally came today, March 15th. Are you kidding me, Mr. Mailman? It looks like some sequence is loose, so you can see right there in the bottom. So hopefully nothing got damaged. Just gonna open this up and see what we got. Let me open this up real quick. Oh yes, here we go. I'm trying not to show the address on here, so here we go, here we go. Look at this pretty box. Oh my gosh, look at all, I see purple. I see purple sequins. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is from our girl Gabby. This is Gabby, Miss Gabby. Let me see. She has a card in here. Look at all the pretty fun stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a cute little card. Thank you. Thank you, Gabby. Oh, hope you enjoy what I created for you. Thank you for your friendship in this crafty community. Happy Easter. Oh, Miss Gabby. This is so cute. See, let me see. Oh my gosh, look at this fun shred. Wow. Oh wow, look at this. There's even a button here. I'm keeping the sequence, Gabby. I'm trying to be gentle so I can keep it. You know me, frugal. Let's see this one since we can see it right here. Oh, look at her fun freaking rosettes. And she stitched it. Oh my, oh, she stitched the bag separate so I could use this. Look at that. Yay, I can add to my stash, but I don't have this one. Look at this. It's polka dot, white with a pink polka dot. Oh, Gabby, this is so cute. I love this. The colors are so pretty. It's for Easter, guys. So happy Easter, hon. Thank you. Poor thing, she really was tracking this thing, and just last night she got notification that it made it to my local distribution center. I'm gonna move it right here so I can use it. Look at that pretty sequence. Oh, Gabby, what did you do, babe? What did you do? There's gorgeous buttons in here. Look at this purple buttons. And they're hearts, you guys. They're heart-shaped buttons. Oh, Gabby. Gabby. I like saying her name. Oh my gosh. Okay, whoops. I'm pouring what I can out. Okay. Thank you, Gabby. I haven't even got into the package, guys. Oh my goodness. Keep all of this. I'm gonna probably try to find a way to put this in my vending machine. Pretty tissue. I love polka dots and stripes. And OMG. Oh my god. You guys, I did not get to make one of these. Can you guess what's in here? Can you even guess what's in here, guys? Oh my god. Oh, this is so beautiful. Uh-oh. I got it. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. She got a butterfly right here. And their little rain boots. And you're so adorable. Oh my god, what collection is this? Gabby, she stitched the bookcase. She made me a bookcase, guys. Oh my, well, maybe she didn't make it for me, but it's mine now. It's mine now. Look at the little deer. And there's this teeny tiny purple butterfly, you guys. Look at this. How stinking tiny can you get, Gabby? Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. And these tiny, you guys, these are super tiny resin flowers. Teeny weeny. Oh my gosh. And this really cute fluffy heart. Not fluffy. Chunky. It's a chunky heart, not fluffy. And this little butterfly. Oh my god, Eileen. Oh, get over it and get in it already. It says a perfect day up on the top of the bookshelf. This is so adorable. I love this trim, guys. Look at this. It's like the awning. You know, at the flower shop, they have those little coverings on the top. Oh, Gabby, this is beautiful. She has a tassel. Okay, so every other book has a tassel. She got the flat bag jemmies. Look at this. Oh, I love that black and white. I love that touch of black and white. It just makes everything pop, guys. And she stitched it. She stitched the front cover. She stitched the side panel and the back and the latch. She stitched everything. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at these rosettes. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I mean, oh sheesh. Oh, I don't know where to go. Look at this. That green and white is so pretty. What is this paper collection? This is like garden theme. This is so pretty. Oh, Gabby. This is a busy mama, people, and she had time to make the bookshelf. I did not even make the bookshelf. Oh, she made die cuts. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh, she made some bows and the layered flowers. You guys can't see that, but it's embossed from the die cut. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. She had a die cut with the embossing on it. It has the inside details of the flower. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, girl. Gabby, thank you so much. Oh my God. And bows and bows and bows and flowers. Look at this bow. This is glitter paper. I see she did it upside down to protect the die cut, is what I've been hearing the ladies say. Like if you're gonna die cut glitter paper, they said to put it upside down on the die cut machine, and that will protect the blade. It'll cut through there. Oh, this is she double-sided this one. Oh my gosh. This would be so cute for freaking little charms. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous, Gabby. Oh my goodness. This collection is adorable, and I love this die. I love that. I know that's a die because there's so many ladies that did rosettes like that, and of course I would sell it too. Die cut it like that. It takes a lot of time to die cut it for one, and then assemble it for, oh my. So see the detail on her latch? She made little flag tails, and she stitched around here also. This one says, oh happy day. This is gorgeous, Gabby. And she used a different color. Look at that. With her gorgeous bows. I don't know what this bow is called. I've heard ladies call it by a certain name. This is beautiful. Oh yes. Gabby, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love that touch of pink. Oh yes. Aren't these pretty? You guys. Beautiful, babe. And she's all the way in California, so she doesn't get to catch my lives all the time because mama is working hard. So she just tells me she watches it afterwards. Oh, look at, and she made the shaker. She made a shaker too with that. What? This is the okay, let me know if I'm wrong. Is this the Hobby Lobby vellum that she turned into a shaker? I mean, how do you even begin to think of this? Look at those sequins. Those are so cute. They're little flowers, guys. Do you see the flowers? Oh, this is gorgeous. She even put shaker here. Oh my gosh, Gabby. Oh, this is so pretty. And she got a pretty little tassel here. Okay. Oh my God. Really? Honey. Oh my gosh. She shared the little ribbon. She gave me some of her ribbon and her tassels. Gabby, you guys. Oh my God, this week has been so overwhelming. I'm so behind, so you guys are watching this today. I received this package Friday, and Friday I did my live, and Friday I did some catch-ups on my videos to push out to YouTube, to my channel. Look at this purple, guys. Oh, it's the leather tassels. This is beautiful. Oh, she must have got this like on Ali or something. These little cute things that are so hard to find, most likely she found them on AliExpress. Most likely. I'm just wild guessing it, but I am assuming that this is what. This is beautiful. I don't even know how you thought of doing that. That is gorgeous. Girly, this is a lot of work. She stitched the whole thing, guys. The whole thing is stitched. Even the latch, even the spine. Mommy, this is a lot. Oh my God. This is so much. This is so much to take in. This one, look at this one. So there's that tail detail again. She got the little Bambi stamp in the camera, and there's a little gemmy right here, you guys. I just noticed it just by touching it. It's beautiful. She stitched everything again. Look at that. Gabby. So much work. So much work. My goodness. Oh my goodness. More rosettes. Oh my gosh, girl. Look at this. So, they're all double-sided? Oh my God. Look at that. With the mix, guys. That is so pretty. Oh, guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful, Gabby. I'm so honored. You guys have blessed me so much all week this week. It's been amazing. And I don't do the lives to get things. I don't do it to get anything. I do my lives for my own selfish reason, just to release and be able to talk with you ladies back and forth. It's fun. You know, I'm a very happier person after my lives. So much happier. There's that interaction with somebody that you know has the same interests as you. You know? It's just something. It fills my soul. And I'm so very humbled that you all are loving the lives and enjoying what we're doing. Even if it's just a bunch of silliness, it's okay. It's okay to be silly. Come to my channel and we'll be silly together. You don't have to be silly alone. But Gabby, thank you so much, babe. I'm so grateful and overwhelmed that you sent me a bookcase. My first bookcase, you guys. So much beautiful stuff. I could never imagine. Oh. All right, let me get off here. I'm so thankful for you all. Please stay safe and enjoy each other and love on your family. And thank you again for joining me. I'll see you all on next week for another week series of giveaways. So bye guys. Love you. Bye.